Hi jewelers, I want to go through a quick tutorial about how to do the S-links to make a chain out of it. So you're going to need a longer piece of wire. This is about 12 inches long, and then some shorter pieces of wire. These are each cut to about 3 inches long. Okay, we're going to start with the shorter pieces of wire. And we're going to use this pair of pliers that has the round tips on it and something that has some flat spaces, so like this one or these square pliers too. And what we're going to do, we're going to take the end here. I'm going to take the very end and I'm going to make a little loop like that. Now I'm going to grab it with the side like this, and I'm going to bend the wire around to make a spiral. Okay. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. I'm going to make a loop. Thank you. And then I'm going to take my flat pliers and make a spiral. Okay. Now I'm going to do all of these. Okay, so I would continue making these S-links until you're, do about 10 of these to make these S-links. Now I'm going to make the part that connects these together. So now grab the long piece of wire and a pencil. I'm going to hold this in my left hand. I'm going to wrap this long part around the pencil. I'm going to try and keep it as tight together as possible. All right, that looks pretty good. Now I'm going to slide this off. Okay. I'm going to cut this with my cutting pliers. I'm just going to cut straight through. And these are going to become the rings that attach these S's together. Yep, you're going to have to squeeze really hard. Okay, I'm going to grab these rings with my pliers. I'm going to twist them open like that. I'm going to put 2 S-links on them and then close it out. And there is the beginning of my S-Link bracelet.